Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make a video from slides in PowerPoint. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So let's create a video from these slides. First, go to the Transitions tab and uncheck the On Mouse Click checkbox and put After. Next, we'll make a slide change in 1 second. The duration of the slide change can be adjusted for each slide separately, but we'll not do this and click Apply to All. Press F5 to check. Great, every new slide appears in a second. And to make our video less boring, let's add transitions for each slide. We can do this in the same tab. Please note that each slide with the transition is marked with an asterisk icon below the slide number. So let's check how the presentation looks with transitions. Press F5. Great, we've got an automatic presentation. Now let's create a video based on it. Click File, Save As, Browse, and select the folder on the computer where we will save the video file. Now in the Save As type list, select a video format, for example MP4, give a name for our video file and click Save. We wait a few seconds while the video is being created, which is shown in the status bar below. You can close the presentation while the video is being created. The video has been created, now let's check how it works. We find the video file and run it. As you can see, we have a video presentation in which each slide follows each other. It's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.